Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Canva Tip and Hacks Facebook group. Jenny di Girolamo asks, does anyone know how to turn this into a logo with color? So now let's try to make it in Canva. First, I will copy this image and go to Canva. I will use Instagram post portrait, and then I will right click and paste here the image, and then while select it, I will go to edit. I will upscale the image size 4 times and click upscale, and then click replace. Now back, and then go to apps and see all, choose colorize. Click this button. Okay, now the image has color. Now go to edit. You can adjust the color here. Scroll down. You can change each color. For example, click here and then find the tone or the color that you like. I think it's enough. And then you can also add vibrance, clarity. Wait until it becomes a check mark. All right. And then I will remove the background. And then click it once again. I will restore this whole. And then click erase. I will erase the other part. I will erase it manually. And then close it. Now add a circle. This circle. Increase the size. Like this. And then click the color button. Make it no color. And then click this border style. Click this line. And add a weight. Can change the color of this border here. Okay. I will choose black. And then select the image. Duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. Click BG remover. We will make a 3D pop-out effect here. Remove this part. From here. Okay. And then close it. So now you have a 3D pop-out logo here. And then I will group them. I'll place it here and then type the text. I'll change the font. Just type here, for example, Western. Enter. And then I will choose chunk 5. Okay. And then go to effect. And choose curve. Put it here. And then let's adjust the curve. Okay. Let's slide to the left a little. Reduce the size. All right. I think it's enough. And then if you want to change the circle color, just duplicate the circle and then select here and go to position, layers, and select this circle, duplicate, place the duplicate right on the origin, and then move it to the bottom. Click the color button and then change the color to the color that you want, or you can change to this gradient, and then type the text and click here. And then just type range. Increase the size a little, change the font to the same. So this is the best I could do for tonight. See you next video and have fun with Canva.